And I'm gonna make your love come down. Best time of your life. 50,000 a night. Platinum sweet, cause you're sweet and you're nice.
I mean, these people in here is too good, you know. I tell you, I have two wonderful mothers and, of course, someone new to introduce to you. We've been talking about social media all morning and how it plays into this era. Now, with everything so technology-driven, let's see how it relates to your love life. We've got owner of GT Sounds, Jeffrey Thomas, and two ladies who you know so well, social media influencers, Danique and Amita Prasad Webb, and we're talking texting. Can your relationship last without it? Okay, so the first person I'm going to go to is Jeffrey.
I'm going to start with the scenario first.
Wait. And I'm going to ask the scenario. I'm going to go to Jeffrey. So, Jeffrey, you have your eye on this lady, right? And you go to her and her friend, and my link friend, and you say, boy, I want her number. You get her number, right? But you don't know, so you like her. How do you start the conversation when you get her number? What's the first thing you do?
Well, the first thing I would try to do is to find out who she is, what she
Oh,
likes.
before you call or before you use the number? That's what you're going to do first?
No, if I call her, I would start with general...
Right, so that's what I'm asking you. What do you do? You text, you call, you WhatsApp? What you do? You link up on IG?
I call.
Jeffrey, old school man. Jeffrey will call.
I have to call.
You have to call?
Yeah.
Okay. Ladies, Amita, you first. What do you do if you like somebody and you get his number?
Me not call no man, me not call him.
Hey,
I wouldn't be calling him.
Prior to your marriage, Denny. You didn't get a look at one number. What would you do? What would you text? Would you call?
I'm not calling her texting first.
You're not calling her texting?
Not first.
Okay,
Hello?
hold on.
No, I'm sorry.
Hold on.
Not first.
What is this thing with women and men?
Become a shame easier.
Okay.
My shame tree, it never gone away with Gilbert coming never born it.
Oh! Oh dear.
So I text you first now, and then you don't answer.
Right.
You'll blue tick me. Man.
Jeffrey, you know what blue ticket is?
You can't come back.
Why are you putting Jeffrey on the spot like that?
I'm sorry.
Amita, please explain to Jeffrey what blue ticket is.
When they leave you on red, they read the message, you're aware of it, and they don't respond.
They don't respond. That's the blue tick on WhatsApp.
So, okay, so what about...
Unfortunately, I have to be asking my daughters, you know.
There we go.
Different words then, because sometimes they text me those words.
And you're like, what that?
Yeah, well,
But I want to know though, like, how do you think
Yes, extra.
we as men feel, like, when we text you and you read it and you don't respond?
You see, the thing is, you guys are actually wired to chase. Okay, let me not use chase. Sorry. Let me not use chase. To explore a woman. That's what men are wired to do. We are not wired to go looking. We're not. Exactly. Men are hunters.
And I feel like men understand that it's a numbers game.
Exactly.
The more you
Numbers
approach
game.
is, the higher the probability of you getting a positive
So
outcome.
if you link Amita and Amita tell you no, there's a possibility that I might tell you yes.
So you're going to link Amita, Sakina, and then you can see which one
See which one I'm going to say yes.
Yeah, but
And whoever say yes, you just go with that one.
It creates a little
makes
thing
me feel
now, you
so
know, because
I know, me too.
everybody going to say, you link the girl there, and she said no, and you come link me, and me a back up.
No, but you're not going to tell us.
No, but girls talk amongst themselves.
True.
Because
Then don't find tree friend then. Don't go after tree friend. Because
in Jamaica so small, you don't know who are friends.
All right. We're not getting to that side of it too tough. What I would like to ask you, Amita, what is the definition of textual chemistry? What that mean?
I guess it's y'all having some kind of vibe with each other via text messaging.
Okay, well, when we say text, we're talking WhatsApp, IG,
Right.
anything like that. You have to type, right? Okay. Question: can your relationship survive without being able to have that chemistry with somebody on a messaging service?
I want to say yes, but then a part of me want to say no as well because I'm a big words person. You know, I like to write and I like to type, and sometimes when like I sit down and I want to say something to you, I can't really say it the way I would write it or type it.
So Jeffrey,
Yeah.
how do you manage in this new age era where everybody wants to be WhatsApping and messaging and stuff? How do you have a relationship without textual chemistry?
everybody will know me, know that texting is not one of my things. I pick up the phone and I call, and I like to relate. I like to feel the vibes. I like to hear your response to certain question or certain words. I like to keep it real.
Yeah, Jeffrey.
And I don't find that in texting. It's like, and the other thing is that half of the words that people use in texting is shortcut. So you don't even know the true meaning of some of the words sometimes to really get a reaction at that time.
Like when someone says LOL, my
You know?
grandmother thought lots of love.
Yeah.
You know?
So it takes a longer time for me to
Establish a
to establish
relationship.
and react that way, more than when I on the phone and I will say something and you
giggle.
I giggle, or you don't say anything at the time either. You can read into that too.
Yeah.
You know, and for example, when I met my wife, we spoke on the phone I sit on her veranda on the table, and we spoke from about 9:30 tonight until about 5:30 in the morning.
You warm to them time then.
And
Right.
it
What
was
happened to them time there?
it was just real conversation.
Yeah.
Right.
And it didn't have anything to do sexually either or anything like that.
Yeah.
It's just a conversation.
A good conversation.
And people seem to think that they can replace those conversations
No, you can't.
with
You
a
can't.
message.
No, you
Right.
You know?
So then we answered the question, right? A
Yeah.
relationship can survive
It can.
without having
It can.
that.
Absolutely.
But okay, we're not
And
in.
the problem too is, before you continue,
Yeah.
next thought, a lot of people don't text like how they talk.
Mm-hmm.
I literally text like how I talk. So when you're talking to me, you feel like you're having a conversation.
And I was gonna ask
Right.
that, like, what are the do's and don'ts when
Text like how you
texting?
talk.
But sometimes,
Sometimes one.
you know, credit out.
Oh my goodness.
Done if I text.
Sir, if you don't have credit, you should be dating.
But they never had credit back in the days.
for the win.
I'm just saying.
They never had credit back in the days.
Oh, you're gonna look me, and you can't even put $100 on your plate.
What if I put $100
Don't
on
look
phone and
good.
they don't text you?
It starts out with texting, but you have to date. It
Yeah, you
can't
have
sit
to.
in your
Okay.
phone. So,
So
if you
if you
can't
can't
afford
buy
to
the
even
credit,
go on
you
a
can't
date,
date.
then where are we going?
Wow.
What are we doing
Okay.
with our lives?
What about people who don't have very good texting etiquette? Because that's
Don't
me.
text.
That's me. You can text me. And like, because I have 15 million WhatsApp, me not see your message, because your message come in and then
I'm
10
done
more
with
come
you.
on top of it.
You don't respond.
Because I have like, people cuss me all the time about that. But the thing is, you can just go so. If you want me, and you
True.
absolutely.
I agree with that as well.
Absolutely.
And for me, you can't cuss me and tell me about a WhatsApp if you can't pick up the phone and just say, hey, Sakina, I need this.
Yeah.
I think you probably have to establish ahead of time what
kind of
your-
person you are.
right,
Yeah.
Right, and some people are bigger into phone calls than texting. And I want to hear a voice. I'm not gonna fall in love with a text message.
Thank you,
I'm really
girl.
sorry.
Exactly.
And it's very easy to manipulate people via text message.
true.
Because sometimes you don't know
True.
what you're saying. Like,
Yeah.
you say it one way and it means something else. And
Exactly.
Right,
And
right.
this is why I stress you need to text like how you talk. You
But
have
even
to.
sometimes when you
Because-
text or you talk, it not come off the same way.
Well, if I
Well,
know
yeah.
you, true. Yeah, you have a point.
Especially if you don't know who you're talking
Yeah,
to.
that's true. That's
Jeffrey, and even in your time when you didn't have cell phones, there was no room.
But you make it so like Jeffrey, so like the
when you were my age, did you have cell phones?
But Exxon,
Yes,
you're old too.
You see?
Huh?
I don't know
Why
what
not
you're talking about.
I was
A
one of
long
those
time-
persons
I
that
want a long time cell
No,
phone.
it's just that I'm a technology person. So
Okay.
I was
okay.
always ahead of what is happening.
Oh, okay.
My profession is
And
in
your
technology.
peers.
So in those days when the big phone just come in.
Yeah,
I
I'm
had
a
one.
satellite.
Yeah. Yeah.
When it
And-
long son of the antenna.
Yes.
I have to pull it up.
And before that, I have CB radio.
All right.
Yeah, right. So
Jeffrey.
I'm always in technology. Yeah. So even on the CB radio, we have communication
Yeah.
with people on the radio because that was another way of communicating because those days you have to wait a year or 2 years to get a phone line.
Wow.
So it was...
Them time the numbers on a phone line are just 3 numbers, like 402,
Exactly.
197.
So,
That's
you
your
know.
number.
From car, because I remember Telegram too.
Don't it? Okay, so here's a big question. Can a baby boomer, which is, come, define it for me. What's a baby boomer?
It's our parents.
Yeah.
No, it
Our parents.
have like
Oh, you have it?
numbers.
Yeah, the youngest baby boomer right now is 54 years old.
Okay.
And the
So
oldest
it's
is
54 up.
77.
Oh, wow, okay.
And then, and the millennials are,
The oldest millennial is 34. 34
wow.
37.
Okay.
And between 25 37.
Okay.
okay, so with those
guessing
numbers, the
millennials.
question now is asked, can a baby boomer and a millennial date successfully? knowing that we have all of these limitations, WhatsApping and texting and really.
My father just turned 65 yesterday. Sorry, Daddy.
Yeah, pick up yourself, Dad. Pick up yourself. Birthday.
You're a real dad, and I'm on WhatsApp.
Yeah, you.
Yeah.
So in other words, it's get with the program.
Get with it.
Well, I still use WhatsApp. I use
But do you
Instagram.
use it effectively?
You use Instagram? You use Instagram?
You know
I
you're
don't
not
know
gonna do
what
this?
I don't know what you call effectively because different levels, you know. But the truth is, I have a adopted son that is much younger than I am. And I am way ahead of him in terms of technology.
All right.
Sometimes I used to say to him, you know, really, dude, you know, and I am millennium, but still I don't dress like everybody expects to have on a big baggy pants or something like that.
You see, in pants, don't tight, but it don't
But the truth is,
Jade.
I believe that older men like myself can successfully date younger women.
I agree.
I think so.
I know young women who appreciate
Amen.
older men like me because
yes,
I
brother.
can talk, I can take you out. I don't take you to Kentucky for dinner.
They can go. They have the fire. They have the.
Okay, hold on. What happens to a younger man like me who meets an older woman that can do the same thing you do?
Exactly. Yeah, and I appreciate young men who have that levels
Of responsibility and maturity.
of responsibility and can step up to the thing.
Yeah.
You see, the thing about it is that a lot of us believe that, you know, I went to a school the other day doing a show at a school, and this young lady said, I hear a young lady walking, very nice young lady, well dressed, and a guy called her and said, "Yo, dog, you don't talk to a young lady like that."
It's missing.
And the young lady turned around and I
look.
pulled her on her hand and pull her back. I said, "No, you're not gonna answer him today."
Not today. But
You know?
yo, Dad.
Yeah, that's missing.
So we women, there are women who are young, but
Yes.
appreciate
Yes, I agree.
that conversation and can
and if you two
appreciate that
can
type
meet
of thing.
technology-wise on any platform, I think you'll be perfectly fine. So I don't think technology can determine that.
I'm with it.
Well, thank you, my ladies and my gent, my millennials and baby boomer. I've been told that I barely skirt the millennial line. So I guess I'm good. But thank you so much for stopping by and thank you for talking us through. Y'all heard it out there. It don't matter how old you are. You got this thing down, right?
Yeah.